Hi, welcome to the Shopify video tutorial. This complete Shopify one product store using Payfly. How to download assets and how to make each section with everything mobile responsive. The most popular Shopify page builder named Payfly. So if you start from scratch and from zero to the whole page. Shopify. So if you have any project about Shopify, please contact me in my email. This product page. I will be very happy to help you in any of your project, as well as if you this template homepage with two more product page template, desktop and mobile responsive. When this template to get it plugging play without building it from scratch and use it for your win product, then there will be a link in the description where you can purchase this template only for $10. Thank you for watching video.